Hi everyone, I'm so glad to take this course with all of you this semester. And here I will introduce my project. The name of my project is Transferring to Teach Online for K-12 Teachers. It's a small part of a grant project to prepare K-12 teachers to teach online. So right now is the beginning stage of the whole project. So one of the limitation of my project is the lack of needs analysis. So I do some research and explore during this process, and I learned a lot. So two main parts of my project. The first one is the structure design just like to design the whole module. I divided the whole module into three main sub modules. The first one is teaching online, the second one is diagnose, and the last one is learning plan. And the second part of my project is to develop a prototype of the first sub module. So my primary purpose is to give some general principles to about teaching online, and the second one is because it's different from different school streets and different background of the teachers. So I think it's necessary to conduct a diagnosis before we provide specific learning plans. So it's a whole module. So my prototype will focus on the first sub-module. I will show you. So the first one is teaching online, transfer teaching online, and it includes the four steps for this process from traditional face-to-face to online teaching, and I use the same format for the first sub modules. So this part is the signals, and I use this dialogue as the styles, and I like it. It's interesting. And you ask some questions to learn their background, and then you give them suggestions. And then I designed a small part by using storyline, and it's a little similar for the following part. So just like you can see storyline here. It's interesting. I love it. And then step two, same format. And this part is another storyline. And for the third one, I tried another different interactive feature of Articulate. It's interesting. You can try it. And for the first one, and I use another. It's step by step. Step one, step two, and step three. So I think it's very interesting. And the next part, I tried another format because one of the purpose for this project is to explore different features of technology tools. So it might be useful for the following of this project. Flashcard here, and the video, and this. I like this part. It's very interesting. So you can just like show the steps. It's very interactive. And then the same format for this part. And the last part is teaching online, and tried another format. And I will post my the link to my module. If you are interested, you can open it and explore. Thank you.